Shalika, probably you tried with laptop and again switched to back to mobile, is it?
I tried, sir, but it is not coming. So slow.
या ओके ओके प्रवंजन आप भी रिकॉर्ड करना शुरू कर लीजिए ताकि आपको पता चले. All right, those who are unable to, I can share some previous video, or I can request one of you who are recording to kindly share the video later. So the drive link, we can circulate it to others as well. But have this recordings for you. That's the only urge. All right, I'll continue. Samita ma'am, hope you are able to hear me. My voice is clear to you.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right then. You can put yourself on mute unless until required. You can unmute and speak if required, or else you can be on mute. I'll be starting. Yesterday we have discussed the theory part. So today, again from company, I'll be starting. Let us create company code, plant, storage location, purchasing organization, and try to assign as well. Let us see. You can just start making some quick notes. Anyways, you have the recordings with you. You can refer to that later. First step, to define company. Start to define company. Write down the path. SPRO IMG. I have introduced the screen to you already. All of you. SPRO IMG. Under IMG, enterprise structure. Under enterprise structure definition. Under definition, financial
Sir,
accounting.
sir, come again, sir.
Yes. Yeah, SPRO IMG. SPRO IMG. Okay, I'll just redo it. Observe the screen. No problem. I'll just redo. SPRO, I'll just double click on this. Then SAP reference IMG, I'll be calling it as IMG henceforth. I've introduced this screen. When I introduced this screen, I have told all this. So I'll be henceforth calling it as IMG itself. IMG stands for Implementation Guide. SAP reference IMG. This is Implementation Guide, as you can observe here. Under IMG, enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Under enterprise structure, definition. Definition. Under definition, financial accounting. Under financial accounting, define company. Let me know if you have written to this extent. Define company. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Go particularly, please remember this. I have told this already to you. Defining company code is part of finance. As you are saying, it is under financial accounting heading. Defining company code, it's job of finance. Noted. Now if you respond, if you are done,
Yes, sir.
I'll click
How
on define.
I'm on and
Didn't get you.
I'm on Android. It was reconnecting again.
All right. You want to make a note?
Yes, sir.
Please write down SPRO IMG.
Huh.
SPRO IMG. Enterprise structure.
Oh.
Under enterprise structure definition.
Definition.
Under
Okay.
enterprise structure definition.
Hmm.
Under definition, financial accounting. Financial accounting.
Huh.
Under financial accounting, define company.
Okay.
Define company. I will click on this. Define company.
Huh.
Observe the screen. Change view internal trading partners. We have new entries, a table, and position. This kind of screens we'll be seeing quite often. If I have to create something new, I have to click on new entries. If I have to find something among the table in this table present, I have to click on position and find that. So now I have to create new company name. So I need to click on new entries. Before that, see, just observe the screen again. I traveled this path. I'll just repeat it. SPRO IMG enterprise structure definition financial accounting define company. Now instead of taking this path, I told you this in the earlier session. This is called command field. So I can enter this T code OX15. This is called transaction code. In general called T code in the short form. T stands for transaction. Forward slash n is not part of T code. OX15 is T code. If I just enter OX15, it will take me to the same screen. Okay? Change view internal trading partners. So the T code purpose is instead of traveling the path, I can use it as a shortcut OX15. Now, if only T code when I use OX15, if the system is not responding, then please use forward slash n as a prefix to the T code. Make a note forward slash n forward slash n within inverted comma you can put it is used as prefix to T code is used as prefix to T code if only T code if this T code does not move to the screen required, or you can just write if T code alone is not supported, if T code alone is not supported,
What is not supported, sir?
just T code. If I enter OX15, it has to directly go to the screen. If
Hmm.
just OX15 is not supported, then you can just add forward slash n OX15.
Oh,
Forward slash n OX15. It will take you same. All right.
yes.
Done. Okay. So I'll repeat this OX15. I'm giving this notes on in the initial stage so that you become a bit comfortable with the screen, operating with the screen. After that, you will be able to do on your own just by looking at it. Now here I have to click on new entries. Make a note, click on new entries. Next. The name of the company as registered by the client, whatsoever name given by the client, we are supposed to take it. Refer back to our previous discussion about preparation stage, blueprint, etc. that I had told you. So this blueprint will be already developed. We are in the third phase, in fact, like realization. We are starting actually working on system. So all these things we have to gather information from the client, name of the company, and what is the short form that are calling the company as, and other detailed information that is about the address, the location of the company. While for time being, we are going to plan it this way. We are going to take forward with some name that we can decide.
That day we created, sir, USJEL.
Yeah, USGN, but I have logged in with a different ID now, so
Okay, sir.
I have to recreate it. Let me call like this. ISIPL. I'll call this as India Incel Software Solutions India Private Limited. I'm just giving some name. ISIPL Incel Software Solutions India Private Limited. Name of company too. If it is like if the company is having different branches with certain name, let us say ISIPL Bangalore, Chennai, etc. If it would like to call, if the client would like to call with the other name also, then this is required, or else it's not required. Name of company too not required. I'll just fill this as of now. You can understand this is the address. Street number 1. I'm just giving certain address, post box number 560089 in real time as given by the client. Hope you understand this as given by the client, because this is the address where it is located. A country code IN is already configured in the system. That I'll tell how to create country code or region code, that I'll tell in some time. So you can write down this country code IN, language EN, currency INR Indian rupees. So if you are working for a different client, you are going to give the currency as per the requirement of the client. Okay, note. Let me know once you have written.
Can there be two names for the same company, sir? Because it's company name and name of company.
Yeah, that depends on client's need. If client wants something like that, then yes, or else not required. SAP has provided more fields taking global scenario.
Okay.
Maybe certain cases where clients need that. We have something called county. Probably European clients. Anybody handling here? European clients or UK? Anybody?
Mm.
They have
Yes, sir.
instead of region they have county. Have you heard this? COUNTY, like city, region. They have this also county. Now county code they call with that. They have those codes. Now that is not applicable in India. We don't have any identification of any areas with county like that. So that depends. They have created this for global requirement. So whatever fields are necessary as required by the client, we can fill it. That's all. Noted this. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, after creating anything, we have to click on this save icon. I'll click on this save. See, you will get a request, a customizing request. So you have to click on this in order to have all these things created under one particular project name. So what I do is I'll click on this create request. Just make a note. Click on create request. Create request. When customizing request is popping up, the window is popping up. Click on create request. This you do for first time, not every time. Next time onwards, you can take the same short description. You can select that. If it is not appearing, you can select. If you are switching to different user ID, server access given to you, then you have to create there also, because it would have got saved in one server. Anyways, click on this create request. So short description. Install ISIPL, right? That's what I gave. ISIPL project. We have basis team. Probably Ushaleka knows this. And also along with HR, they are going to decide this username, password for you, and number of screens that you can access, etc. in real time. Based
Yes,
on
sir.
that, access will be given. So short description, I have given it as ISIPL project. Saved. Okay, click on save
What
icon.
if one project, sir, the project should have a name, no?
Project name, I am just calling with company name itself. ISIPL, I am calling with same name.
Okay.
I am just calling this. This is for our reference sake. Real time as asked by the client. Okay, then continue. So you can observe this data was saved with a tick mark. And also note this, you should have it in transaction mode. This also I have told in the last session. Please have this in right bottom corner in transaction mode so you can see the T code. For many screens it remains SPRO. Whatever T codes are there, I'll be letting you know. You can just write down that. Creation of company, X15. I have given the path code both. So hope this is clear. Shall I move to next step? Is it done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll come back. Please remember whatever we are doing because we need those names, codes, whatever we create. We need that. Next step, create company code. Write down. First to define company we have written. Next to define company code. Company code. Path again SPROIMG. Same enterprise structure. Definition. Financial accounting. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. So till financial accounting it remains same. After that it is edit, copy, delete, check company code. So FICO, those who have joined here, please be more attentive because you will be creating these two for the rest. Noted? Shall I proceed?
What is actually company code, sir?
Company code, financial accounts are created after company code that will handle the business, particular business. Like for example, if you take uh, Tata, see, Tata is
Mm,
into consultancy also, into steels also, into automobiles also, and many
mm,
more groceries also. So one business is
mm,
represented by one company code. Under that company, one business is represented by one company code. All the transactions will be
mhm.
after that company code because financial accounts are created at company code level. So they are stored at company code level. Get to know what is the profit or loss of that particular company, financial health of that company.
Okay.
I proceed.
Mm.
I'll click on this edit, copy, delete, check company code. So here we have copy, delete, check company code and edit company code data. Say I'm not copying any company code, of course, and editing once we create, we are going to edit it. Anyways, here observe this copy, delete, check company code. Double click on this. Copy, delete, check company code. This is only for your information sake. You can see organizational object company code here. Organizational object company code. Of course, I am not entering at this instant. I just showed you what it is. We'll come to that. All related batch, those who are here. I'll come to that in some time. I'll have to split it. We'll discuss that later. Now, edit company code data. Go to this edit company code data. Again, here you can see new entries, a table, position. So, what am I supposed to do? One of you say. What should I do? Next step.
Put the company code, sir. Whatever we have
So for
created
that,
now.
I have to click on new entries, right? I
New
have to
Yes,
click on new
yes,
entries.
entries
new
because
entry.
I'm creating it, isn't it? You are getting. And you can see, just a minute, I'll come back. I'll come back to main screen. The T code OX02. That also takes. See, you have O also 0 also. Be careful in writing. You should be able to recognize what is O, what is 0.
Mm. Is that hexadecimal or just the number, sir? OX15.
Didn't get OX02. That's all. OX02.
Oh.
So I'll click on new entries here. So
Mm,
company code, I maintain it as ISL. Let me see. If you are typing some name, let us say like this ISHU you want to name. If it is already existing, system will show. Don't give same
mm,
name. It will create confusion. Give something which is
mm,
not that. You would have planned something, and if it is already existing, please change that. So I am taking it as ISPL.
mm.
ISPL. and I'm just retaining that company code what I gave, ISIPL, Incel Software Solutions India Private Limited. I'm just retaining it. Now in real time, all these things will be given by the client. All this company name, company code, all these are registered. Hope you understand that when I'm opening a company, when you people, if at all enter into entrepreneurship, you want to build your business, you are going to start with the company, then you are going to get it registered. If you want the legal sanctity, you will have to get it registered and start working. So that's how it would be. And after registration, of course, whatever name it is registered with, same thing we are supposed to give. So these things are from the client, input from client. Rest is again filling in the data, city, country, currency, language. City, country, currency, language. City, Bengaluru, country, India, currency, INR, Indian rupees, language, EM. Make a note. Noted? Shall I proceed? Hope you are done. If I click on this save icon, a window will pop up for address.
Short form, sir, the company name Incel is not written.
I didn't get.
Incel Software
Yeah,
Solutions.
I have not entered the full form. I have not entered the full form. I have just retained ISIPL.
I'm not getting it here.
So where did you
Company
open this?
name.
Company name. Yes, please. What's your query?
Where did you open this tab? Sir?
Which one? If I click on save icon,
Okay.
this is the address icon. If I just click on save icon, automatically the address window will pop up.
Okay.
I'll do it again. See, observe this. This is address icon. If I click on this, I can get this address icon. Or first time when I click on save icon also, it'll just open up, and I need to fill in this data.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
See here I am giving full name. Search item, in order to search this, I'll retain ISPL itself. Search. The house number, postal code, I'll just retain what I had given. Country, region 10 for Karnataka. You can see that 10 is for Karnataka. How is this IN and 10? That I'll tell you in some time. Let me complete this. Then once we are done with this, I'll explain that.
Sir, in title there will be company.
Yeah, company, we can just take it as company here. For plant and other things not required, you can leave it blank. For company code, you can just take it as company. So language, English, telephone, contact number, other details as given by the client. We can continue with the tick mark. If you are making a note, let me know once you are done. Uh, See, we have around 8 minutes. I want you all to join back for another 10-15 minutes once the time expires, so that we can complete this topic. And you have something to practice for another 1 or 2 days. Let me know once you have written.
Yes, sir.
Are you done?
Yes, sir.
I'm not going to attend the class for another 15 minutes, sir, because I don't have battery charge. There is no power here.
All right. We will share the video. You can just see to what extent it is possible. I'll
Okay.
save it. And if required, I'll address your queries one to one later. So ISIPL.
Okay.
Okay, this is done. After this, see company code we have created. Then to create plant, make a note to create plant. SPROIMG, write down the part. SPROIMG, enterprise structure definition. Enterprise structure definition. Under definition, logistics general. Logistics general. Under logistics general, define copy delete check plant. Define copy delete check plant. Last session I have told creating plant is logistics general, different module. They are supposed
Sir,
to do it.
sir, come again, sir. PRO
Come
IMG.
again. Come again. Observe. SPRO IMG enterprise structure definition logistics general. Under financial accounting we created company code. Now to create plant we have come to logistics general. Logistics general. Under logistics general, define copy delete check plant. Define copy delete check plant. Not we have noted. I'll proceed. Here define plant. Make a note. Define plant. You should click on this execute icon. This is execute icon, and next to that you have the information about this. So you have to click on this clock like symbol, which is execute icon. Next we have define plant. Double click. So I'll redo this with the D code. I'll come back completely. Vishaleka, may I ask you what is the D code? Any idea? OX10.
EC02, sir.
No, that is to view plant, not to define
Okay.
plant. It is OX10.
Okay.
OX10. That is to based on plant in order to see the structure, organization structure, like to which company code it is assigned and other things. We have EC0.
Yes, sir.
So what should I do? Look at the screen.
New entries, sir.
That's correct. New entries. If you are writing, shall I proceed? New entries. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, new entries. So I would call this as IS BP. I am giving all these names on my own. ISBP. Now, what is this ISBP? It is ISPL Bengaluru plant. ISPL Bengaluru plant. Here just enter Z1, which is factory calendar. I'll come to that. What it is, I'll explain. Factory calendar. Just make a note. Let me know once you have done. Now I have a question for you all. See, probably we are from different states joined here. We all have regional festivals.
Yes, sir.
Particularly, I can speak more about Karnataka. Nodi now, okay, others. We celebrate Dasara, Mysore Dasara. Hope you all would have been aware of it by now. Those who are from different place. And also November 1 is observed as Rajyotsava. So they become regional festivals here, and we will not be functioning on those days. Similarly, there are few other festivals in different states. In India, particularly, we celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti as national festivals. Rest, we have many other regional festivals. Based on that, the plants located in different regions, they may not be functioning on those particular days. Also, if you are working for different clients as well, the European, American, most of them, they are not functioning in the month of December. They go on long vacation, long leave, so they will not be functioning then, and so on. Like this, depending upon every region, the number of working days are defined, and that is called factory calendar. Remember when I explained about plant, it is called factory, where actually the activities like production, etc., are done. I have given the same definition. You can just refer back to definition given. So that's about factory. Please enter Z1 as factory calendar. How is the Z1? I'll tell. Have you noted this? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On address icon. Please remember whatever we are providing. See here, I'll just go with these two. By now you have understood this is the address. Country, region. I'll just enter these two mandatory fields. Country, region. I'll proceed. I'm not giving full details. I'll continue and save it. We are running short. We have 1 minute. Can you all join again?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Just
Yes, sir.
disconnect and connect again. See, we have created plant. Company code plant. Three things we have created. I'll explain about this Z1 and we'll proceed with the others. Okay, please join immediately. It is same link.